All you need is a water pump, crazy glue or super glue to glue the water pump down if you don't want the kids pulling the water pump out, and then waterproof contact paper. These kitchens are not meant for real water, so the contact paper will just keep it from damaging the wood. So this is a KidCraft kitchen that I bought on Marketplace. So the first step that I need to do for this is actually take off the faucet and the stove. And luckily everything is just screwed on, so I'm just going to unscrew it and pop everything off.